Oh, bugger. Goodbye.
Well, for some reason, the gate was open. Whether it's to do with all this work, all this dumping they're doing here, you know, proper dumping, not whatever they're doing with the stuff. But that gate's locked, but this gate is wide open, so they usually lock you out. And then, alright, you can park outside these gates if you can get in a gateway or something, but then you might be blocking a gateway and you're going to irritate somebody else. So fair dues, I enjoyed that. Thank you very much. Yeah, I don't know if that gate is going to be ever shut again. It's well grown over, so perhaps. Oh, and the post is gone from there, so they can't fucking lock it. This used to be a great place for going fishing. Brought my kids here when they was young, all of them. But because of fly tipping, you used to get, you know, you got all the gateways and everything for the fields. You get 6,000 fucking fly tippers down here who are too lazy to go to the tip, and then it spoils it for everybody. And everybody knows it. A lot of pylons, as you obviously seen, but you know, stay away from them. I had a bit of interference. The thing would not go past a certain point, it would just freeze, and I was pushing forward as hard as I could and it would not go past that point. So whether that was something to do with the pylons, because I did hear the Cardiff lad saying he had trouble with the pylons down by the transporter bridge, so perhaps it was that, I don't know. Train. Ooh, free coaches on a train. I used to love my trains, but you know, England now is not trains, they're shite. In fact, they're embarrassing. And they renewed all the bridges because we're having electric trains, so they had to jack all the bridges up an extra fucking 4 foot, 5 foot. So that altered the fucking world. Because I used to come on this bridge all the fucking time to take pictures of trains and do photography and film trains. Now look at it, can you see it? This is what we got now. This is the bridge, and look how steep it is. It's like going over something really crazy. Right, down the hill we go. Yee-hoo! Oh, there's a bigger train. Yeah. I used to just love standing there. I used to have Troy on the lead because you get quite a bit of farmer traffic back and forth here. So this is right opposite my house.
Say hi to the camera. Say hi.